Hello everyone, this is Noreen from Joya Cards and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please click that subscribe button. Anyway, I'm going to do a little video today on what my craft room looks like. So, and this is like, I am not one of these people that have one of these crazy custom made like $1 million scrapbook rooms. This is my daughter, my oldest daughter's old room, and when she moved out I told her I was going to turn it into a sewing room, and it's like you know, it eventually was a scrapbook room and then it became my card room. So I want to show you where all the magic begins, and it's right here. This is my desk, and my husband bought it for me. It's actually a sewing table, but and these two sides fold down, but I turned it into my scrapbook and then my card thing, and it just really worked out well. And then I have a bunch of these Michael things here, and what I've got is these little things inside here, all my blocks. Here's all my stuff for taping and die cutting and stuff like that. Here's all my plates for die cutting. Here's my Stamparatuses, and this one, the shelf is broken and those two boxes are holding that shelf up. So, you know, you got your thing. I also have a trash can here and a trash can here. So trash can when I'm working and a trash can when I'm die cutting and I'm cutting. So when I cut and I push things up, they go right into that trash can here. So, and then I have various things on top. If you notice, I have lots of lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's pointing away and this one's facing down because when I shoot a video, you'll see the glare, and you can see the glare right there. But when I mount my camera on my thing here, it doesn't do that. So I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you're interested, if you're like a demonstrator and you want to do card videos, I'll put the link for my little stand here, but this is great. And I have my mic hooked up, and I'm using a separate mic. I actually have two mics when I have to do something like this and I'm away from my desk, so I don't have to unwrap it, because it unwraps and it goes behind my desk and it goes between here and it's hooked right here. Here's my microphone when I do card classes. So and then here's my awesome cuddle pillar glass thing. It is also a light board. It also has a cutting pad, so if I was doing any cutting, my cutting pad is right there, covers the whole surface. Is really nice. And then I have one of these little stands from just to hold my phone that Patricia gave me, my friend Patricia. And then I have my Stampin' Up! Inks and everything at hand, and my markers and all that. And then here's just like my next project. I just have it kind of sitting out for the next time. And then on the other side of my desk here, I bought another one of these Michaels things because it fits right under. And I have my label maker, my laptop, current catalogs that I used. Oh, pick at the crop, June. I wonder if that says paper pumpkin I haven't used. No, I think I used that one. My extra heat gun and extra catalogs. And then I have my heat gun right here. And if you notice, it's on one of these little thingies. I'll bring it out. Oops, of course that's going to fall. So that's my little station for my heat gun, so I can, you know, have it warm up, and then I can also put paper on here and do my heat gun. This is really nice, and I keep it right here on the ground. That's my little tub of paperwork and stuff. Extra cutter, so that's silliness. There's my window that always has to be closed because if I have it open during a video, it glares everything out. Here's Buddy. Say hi, Buddy. Buddy's a good boy. Anyway, and then if you come over here, I've got all my little scraps. Whenever anybody asks for a catalog, I always give them my extra cuttings that I didn't use. Here's a project that I need to use. It's that cooler thing with the card kit in it. It's in the new mini catalogs. It's really cool. Here's all the labels and everything I have for cards. When I finish a card, I put it in a little clear envelope here, and I put my tag on it and everything. So I usually, that's my station for that. Here's my extra paper holders here. Here's extra paper down there. And then I have a drawer full of candy and my little dishes that I use. And my I did a video on wax seals. And then all my tape This is more of a scrapbooking drawer, but it's a bunch of stuff I probably should clean out now that I look at it. Yeah, Noreen needs to get rid of that. Here's my Gemini that I never use. Maybe I should use the Gemini. Don't know. It's just my Sizzix is just so much easier. And then this is what prompted the video. This is all my paper. So I have like my foils and vellums and everything in here. These two are DS papers. That's my black, white, shimmer, vanilla, and 12 by 12 black and white. And then here's all my colors, and all the scraps are in their little files, so everything's great. And then here is where I keep all my stamps. Now you can see I got these from Michael's. These are just Michael's cubicles. I removed the shelves and I stacked everything up. So these two top ones are Stampin' Up stuff that I've already done. Poof! I put them away. I had them out. I was like, oh, that was embarrassing. So that's everything that I've done. So those are finished. This right here are all my retired. So I do sell my retires. Both the stamp and the dies are $10 each. And punches are generally 5 to 10 depending on what Stampin' Up is selling them for. But these are all retired. I also have a bunch of retired paper and everything that are in another room. And then here's stuff that I haven't done yet. So these are all new things here. And then up on top here is just junk that I probably should get rid of. Here's just drawers of extra stuff here. Here's all where I keep all my magnets for my dies when I get new magnets. So I have that here. And then here are all my dies. So I keep all my dies in the little Stampin' storage boxes. I really love those. And then I have drawers here, and this is all my embellishments and stuff. That's kind of a messy drawer, but that's okay. And then all my ribbon is in there pretty nicely, so that's all right. And then I have all my embossing stuff, and this new one here from the mini catalog, really awesome. And then here's all my inking and sponging things, and these are just extra drawers of supplies and stuff like that. Now the rest of this, I need to go through. It's like when I was scrapbooking. So these 3 drawers here are just stickers. I don't, this drawer, what is in this drawer? I haven't looked in this drawer in a while. Ooh, I can get rid of all that. See what you find when you go through your stuff. And then I also used to do those art impression things. I really like those. As you can tell, I have a whole drawer of those. And then, ooh, an empty drawer. I did go through this recently. Here's just paints. And this is, when I was scrapbooking, this is creative memory stuff. Here's some creative memory stuff. And just miscellaneous stuff here. Also, under my nice chair, which now you can sit in, I've got my binding machine. And Caterpillar also makes a big, heavy-duty cutter. And I use this when I have to cut cardboard and stuff, because I would not use my Stampin' Up cutter for that. So I just kind of put those big things under there. And then here's my shelf where all pretty much my scrapbooking stuff has been pushed to the back of the room, and I need to figure that out. Here's all my border things. I have like a Michael's worth of supply of junky paper that I never use on cards. This stuff does not work well on cards. So here's my Cricut over there. Now I'm going to show you something over here. Next to my desk, I went to Michael's and I just got one of these tables, and there's my shop box. Here's just some decorative things in my room, but also my brother's ScanNCut. And I moved this out here because I use it a lot. This is great for what a brother's ScanNCut will do. It scans and then it cuts. It does exactly what it says, where Cricut doesn't do that. And then miscellaneous stuff here. This is retired stuff. Here is my ladder, because we're going to go woohoo in the closet. No way. Let's go in the closet. All right, I actually have this pretty well. Here's a lot of my scrapbooking stuff and junk. Here's things I've just hung up. And then I've got all my liquid stuff. So everything that, alcohols and adhesives and stuff that I use for cards. And here's envelopes and stuff, and a scale. Here's some extra stuff, just crafty kind of stuff. I do those diamond dots, so I've got always a couple of those over there. There's my Stampin' Up bag, so when I go out. And that's basically my room. So I hope you enjoy the tour. If you get any ideas or have any questions, put them in the comments. And if you're a first-time subscriber, like, subscribe, put your email in the comments, and you could win a demo card. But anyway, that'll do it for me. Thanks. Bye.